What's going on, guys? On today's video, I'm going to show you how I make jalapeno cheddar brats. First, you want to dice your pork into cubes. Next up, make sure your equipment is ice cold. We're going to grind this up. Next step is load your mixer with your meat along with your seasonings. Mix it up. I'm going to add some ice cold water and mix it until it's nice and sticky. Add some fresh diced jalapenos. Next, you want to add your high temperature cheddar cheese. Next, load your stuffing container. Load your casing onto your stuffing tube. Next, you want to start stuffing your casings. Next, you want to twist your sausage. So measure out 6.5 inches, pinch, measure 6.5 inches, pinch, and twist. All right, the sausage is ready. Let it rest in your fridge for 1 day and grill them or smoke them up. Thanks for watching. See ya.